Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about third chapter, that is combinational logic circuits in DE. Here, any digital circuit that will be classified into two types. That is, this is combinational logic circuits as well as sequential logic circuits. So, generally in combinational logic circuits, what happens is here the outputs that will at any instant of the time, it depends on the inputs. So here if you see this block diagram, in this block diagram here we are having the inputs a b c, and here we are having the outputs x and y. This output is a function of the inputs, so here the output, it depends upon the inputs. So here if we see this, these are nothing but like the examples for the combinational logic circuits are off adder, full adder, parallel adder, multiplexer, decoder, encoder, comparator. These all are the examples of a combinational logic circuits, and this is the classification of a combinational logic circuit. Here we are having the adders, subtractors, comparators, PLDs, multiplexers, demultiplexers, encoders, decoders, BCD, 7 segment. These all are the examples of a combinational logic circuits. And here the first topic we are having is a off adder circuit using the XOR and an AND gate. Okay, so here we have to construct the off adder circuit. So here off adder is nothing but what? A combinational logic circuit. It will off adder it which means that it can add 2 bits at a time and produce the sum and carry outputs. Okay, so off adder is nothing but, adder is nothing but it will add some bits, so it adds 2 bits and it produces 2 outputs, that is sum and carry, both are outputs, and inputs are 2 bits, that is anything like a and b. So it consists what? It consists what? 2 inputs. It consists of 2 inputs and 2 outputs. 2 inputs are nothing but 2 bits and 2 outputs are nothing but sum and carry, are 2 outputs. So here if you see the if we see the off adder circuit, here we are having 2 inputs, that is a and b, and outputs are sum and carry. These 2 are outputs. Okay, so here if we see 2 outputs, if you see the truth table, this is what the truth table of a off adder circuit. Okay, this is the truth table of off adder circuit. In this truth table, what we are having inputs as well as outputs. In the inputs we are having a and b, in the outputs we are having the carry and sum. Okay, so for different combinations of inputs, what are the outputs? So here we are having 2 inputs. 2 inputs means how many varieties will be getting? 2 power n, that is 2 square, that is 4 inputs, 4 outputs. So here if we see, here we are having inputs like 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. These are the inputs. Okay, and what is the sum? If we add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. This is what the sum of 1 plus 1. Here if we see this, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 means, 1 plus 1 means this is sum 0, carry 1. This is a very important thing you must remind in adding 2 bits in a off adder. Okay, and now if we see the equation, if we see the sum expression, if we see the sum expression, what we are having the sum expression? We are having the sum expression is this. Okay, so from the sum expression we can write this, that is, this is which bit? This is like what? From the sum expression we can write it as what? Like for the inputs a b, we are getting what outputs? This 0 1 1 0. So from 0 1 1 0 we can write like this expression, sum is equals to a into b bar plus a bar b. This is like for 0 0, this is what? 0. Okay, a, okay, a. See here we are having the sum output a bar b plus ab bar. This is the output of sum. How we are getting this? We have to see the sum output. In sum output where there is 1, ekkada ones unnayo aa output రాసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎక్కడ వన్స్ ఉన్నాయి? ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది. సో ఈ 1 ఉన్న దగ్గర ఏబి బిట్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? 0 1, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉన్న దగ్గర 1 0. సో దీని నుంచి ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? 0 ఉంటే బార్ పెట్టుకోవాలి, ఓకే. 1 ఉంటే జస్ట్ బి అని చెప్పేసి రాసుకోవాలి. సో అలా రాసుకోవడానికి ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే 1 అని ఎక్కడుంది, ఇక్కడుంది, ఇక్కడుంది, ఇక్కడుంది 1 అని. సో దీస్ కరెస్పాండింగ్ బిట్స్ ఏమున్నాయి చెప్పండి. ఇది 0 1 ఉంది అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఏముంది 1 0 ఉంది. సో ఈ కరెస్పాండింగ్ మనం ఎలా రాసుకుంటాము, 0 1 1 0 ఎలా రాసుకుంటాం. 0 మీన్స్ ఏ, విచ్ మీన్స్ దట్ ఏ బార్. ఓకే, అండ్ 1 మీన్స్ బి ప్లస్ నెక్స్ట్ 1 means what, 1 means what, a means a and 0 means b bar. So this is what the output of sum, that is a b, that is a bar b plus a b bar. So this is nothing but what, x a, this can be written as a exclusive or of b. This is the sum output. And similarly carry output also, where there is 1, where there is 1, here there is 1. Okay, in the output we are having 1 here, 1 here. Okay, when it is 1, when a is 1 b is 1, which means what, carry output is a dot b. This is the carry output. Okay, a dot b. Okay, which means a is 1 b is 1, a into b, that's it. Okay, so this is the sum output and this is the carry output of off adder circuit. And this is what the logic circuit of off adder circuit, which is very important logic circuit. So this is in logic circuit, this a exclusive or gate, this is a exclusive or gate. We are giving two inputs, that is a and b. This is a XOR gate. So in XOR gate, if we do the sum, we are getting a exclusive or of b, and same we are giving to AND gate. A dot b means what, we are giving the inputs to AND gate, so which means we are getting carry a dot b. This is XOR gate, so I am using XOR gate. Okay, this is XOR gate, I am using XOR gate. This is AND a dot b means AND gate, I am giving AND gate. If I give two inputs for XOR gate as well as AND gate, I am getting a off adder sum and carry. Off adder a exclusive of b, off adder carry a dot b. This is what the realization of a off adder circuit. In off adder circuit, what is off adder circuit? Off adder circuit is a combination logic circuit. It will add 2 bits and produce sum and carry as the outputs. And this is what the logic symbol. Okay, this is a logic circuit, there is a difference. This is logic symbol, this is a logic circuit. And here in logic symbol, it consists of a 2 inputs and 2 outputs, and this is the truth table. Okay, these are the expressions, and this is the logic circuit. These 4 are important for explain off adder circuit using XOR gate, and this is XOR gate and this is AND gate. This is the question you are asked, XOR gate and AND gate. Okay, next concept is explain off adder using NAND gates only. Explain off adder using NAND gates only. Second one, NOR gates only. So here explain off adder using NAND gates means here we have to construct this off adder circuit using only NAND gates, and we have to construct this off adder circuit using only NOR gates. Okay, which means that this is very important bit in your competitive exams, that how many NAND gates are required to construct the off adder circuit, how many NOR gates are required to construct this off adder circuit, is very very important bit in your competitive exams. So here if we will be seeing how many NAND gates are required to construct if we see this this circuit, how many NAND gates we are used? 6 NAND gates are used to construct the off adder circuit. This is very important bit. And if we see this, if we see this, how many NOR gates are there? 8 NOR gates are required to construct the off adder circuit. This is very very important bit. 6 NAND gates are required to construct the off adder circuit, and 8 NOR gates are required to construct the off adder circuit. These are how we have to realize these circuits now. Okay.